Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So I'm back with the Chebe powder to grow my hair. My hairline is getting better compared to the last time I cut my hair. We'll see what this can do. So this is different from the one that I bought the last time. The one that I bought last time, I had to mix it on my own. It was Chebe powder, it was cacao oil, and what else, and shea butter. So this one comes mixed, so it's Chebe magic hair food, and the ingredients, it's Chebe powder, cacao oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, moringa tissue oil, peppermint oil, wheat germ oil, aqua glycerine, and petroleum jelly. Has fast hair growth, effective against dandruff, prevents baldness, scalp massage and nourishment, relieves itchy scalp, prevents scalp dryness, and prevents hair breakage. So yeah, I'll be doing a series with this one. I won't be putting it from my scalp this time. Last time a lot of people said you shouldn't do it from the scalp and use a protective style. So I used it before I did this hairstyle, Benny and Betty. So last time people suggested that I do not use it straight to my scalp, on my scalp, and they suggested that I do not do a protective style that causes tension on my hair. So this is not really tight, so I won't be having, like last time I had problems because I had bumps, red bumps that were very itchy. So I won't be having any of those because it's not tight. I realized my mistake. And yeah, let's see what this one can do. I'll do a review after 2 weeks, and again after another 2 weeks, because 2 weeks last time was very short for me to do a review, and because of the hairstyle that I had on, faux locks does it causes too much tension on the hair. So it was very quick for me to do a quick review, to do a 2 weeks review. So yeah, I'll wait. So this one I'll be doing a month. I think I'm gonna, because this one I'll be using alone. Last time I was using it with my sisters, and yeah, so it didn't last long. And this one actually will last long because I'll be using it alone. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any experiences with Chebe, and if maybe you've tried it from my previous video that was back in 2020, and let me know how it has worked out for you. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Until the next one, bye.